We're doing it.
We'll do it live. Fucking thing.
No, we'll do it live! Fuck it!
Do it live!
We're here. This video's happened. You've seen the title. So, I've got my saw. What's inside my
Fucking righteous fucking nigger, Alex!
We've been on YouTube for a few years now. 4 million subscribers. Had over 500 million views. The number 3 most viral video of all of 2016 was What are those?! Alright buddy, come on in. Let's do it.
Okay, I will say...
Hey, what's up guys? It's Scares here.
We're not gonna do a regular what's inside on this one. Oh, we got it.
You fool!
What?
April Fool!
We're not gonna link it open.
Not today!